Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Open to Work on LinkedIn. So if you have already found a job and you don't want to show Open to Work anymore on your LinkedIn profile, I will show you how to do it. So you have just to go to the LinkedIn app, and after that go to click on your picture on the top left of the screen, click on your name. After that, scroll down a little bit until you will find this option, Open to Work. You have to click on the pen next to it and scroll down until you find Delete from Profile. Delete from Profile. Click on it. And after that, click on Delete again. And as you can see, Delete is the Open to Work is deleted from your profile and it's not showing anymore. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.